In the era of data-driven decision-making, dashboards have become indispensable tools for businesses seeking insights from their data. Yet, despite the proliferation of sleek dashboards, users often find themselves returning to traditional tools like Excel for data export and analysis. Today, we explore the challenges faced by dashboards and outline strategies to design dashboards that are not only visually appealing but also function as powerful user tools. The journey to an effective dashboard begins by asking the right questions. Identify the distinctive needs the dashboard fulfills, understand the intended audience, and clarify how often the dashboard will be accessed. Will it deal with real-time or passive data? Consider which type of dashboard suits your organization's goals: strategic, operational, analytical, or tactical. Each serves a unique purpose, catering to different levels of management. Crafting an effective layout is critical. Simplify complexity, tell a clear story, express data meaningfully, and reveal details as needed. Plan navigation, group similar information, use clear labels, and provide filtering and drilling options for users. Remember, less is more. Embrace minimalism to avoid clutter and focus on presenting only essential information. And always adhere to the 5-second rule. If users are spending too much time scanning, it's time to reassess. Follow the inverted pyramid approach in dashboard arrangement. Highlight the most significant insights at the top, present trends in the middle, and provide granular details at the bottom for further exploration. Choose visualizations wisely based on the type of information you want to convey. Whether it's showing relationships, making comparisons, breaking down data, or representing distribution, define metrics, level of aggregation, and time horizon before building visualizations. Pay attention to the overall user interface. Define the theme, use consistent color schemes, and consider localization based on user locations, reflecting display language, time zones, and date formats. Continuously improve dashboard performance through A/B testing. Set specific goals, create variations with different layouts, visuals, and filters, and analyze user engagement and satisfaction to identify the most effective design. In conclusion, designing a dashboard that transcends a mere display requires meticulous attention to user needs, layout design, and visualizations. By focusing on simplicity, clarity, and user interaction, organizations can create dashboards that captivate users visually and serve as powerful analytical tools, facilitating informed decision-making. A commitment to continuous improvement through A/B testing ensures that dashboards evolve to meet changing user requirements and preferences, ultimately driving user engagement and analysis.